break a leg and a ligament. I step on stage, break a leg and a ligament. I step on stage, break a leg and a ligament.
I bring you something that you could never handle. Deliver my word to the world already planned to. I sizzle and drizzle cause I'm hotter than the mantle. Drop the guns, tie the gloves, you will be dismantled. Flexing on these two-star rappers steady faking. The combo of my rhymes and my beats earthquaking. Music in my future, current education. Listen close while I display alliteration. Sally Soul seashell sitting by the seashore. I'm a scavenger eating off the sea floor. Everybody know I got a bush on my head, and after this song I'ma start my dreads and then I'm swinging. Throwing money stacks in the club, jump shot like Rondo. Tryna put a bad little shorty up in my backseat like I'm the 5-0. Kinda mad cause it's in for the birthday girl up to my condo. Like a J, I'ma pass the mic to Young Tay here, show you how I go. Beyond lyrics, we some wild boys. Pull up loud deep in a wild toy. B-Y-L boy, B-Y-L boy. B-E-Y to the O-N-D with the lyrics on the end and we coming to win. Looking for a path, I got no GPS. Beyond lyrics on the map, yeah, we be the best. Looking for the legal way, anything to get that paid Monday through Friday. Y'all got sales in the hallway, in the cafe with my merchandise. Pop-Tarts and high seas, it was cold as ice. The income received, it wasn't spent on ice. If it was, I'm in a house with no power, no light. Hopping down at the bottom, I'm just trying to get high. I got guidance every time I look up to the sky. Sky blue jeans, graphic tees, colorful shades. If I was rich, you wouldn't see me this way every day, every week, every month, every year, every century. Yeah, I got more bars than the largest penitentiary. Since I brought it up, listen to what I say. Would you prefer to stay pen or get in the Penn State? She's my everything. I love her in every way. She's the reason that I breathe and she's the reason that I pray. She's the reason that I say I'm glad to wake up every day. Text her mobile phone and in the morning send a smiley face. She say how you sleep. I say baby just fine. Then I say when we gonna meet. It's my treat. We can wine and dine. I'll leave the house at 9. Then I'll call you on your line when I'm sitting outside so you can slide to my ride. You're the sun that lights my day. Yes, you take all my stress away. I wanna kiss you, but I miss you. But I know I just saw you yesterday. I think that summarizes the way that I be feeling. You are so appealing. When I'm hurt, you give me healing.
I most definitely have the punch rhymes that'll make a nose bleed. I'm sitting high in the sky, but I'm a submarine. You peep analogy, I'm working for my dream. Opponent society, I be critical with the rhyming. Delivery is the finest, the beautiful girl I ride with. Love watching the horizon, I'm analyzing all of my material. Pieces of my puzzle put together say that I'm superior. You spit a rhyme and clarify that I'm hearing ya. Writing up your line to justify I'm inferior. Suited and booted, community ruling the foolishness. When is it gonna get to you to say that you through with this? You wanna
Sway, ladies, go. Okay, so I met this little cutie with the beauty and the booty like a model from a movie, and she came right out of Bowie. Dancing is a hobby on the floor, she move her body right after the party. A conversation in the lobby. Told her I'm from Northeast, Uptown, DC. Then I put my number in her smartphone 4G. 2 o'clock in the morning, party rocking out. She still a cutie with her hair all sweated out. Listen to the beat drop, turn the light down low. Damn, I made her heart stop when she listened to the flow. Shawty made my jaw drop when she took it to the flow. She was killing me when she made her body roll. Send with cinnamon and I'm feeling the adrenaline. She was killing like a villain while I'm revealing the stacks. I was chilling and spilling, it's only water will limit. Cause I was hot from the feeling given when she threw it back. Woo. Had to catch my breath, I'ma keep on flowing cause I wanna keep the party going. Find a dancing and I'm gonna circle around. Like Kevin Hart say it's about to go down.